just got a call for a freezer down. They're all, yeah, today's Monday. It's the afternoon. It's about 4 o'clock. They're all, yeah, well, how fast can you come over? I'm like, well, I can head over. They're all, well, it broke on Friday. So it broke on Friday. They're calling Monday at 4 p.m. Let's go see what we're getting into. This should be that should be fun. Yeah, the coil's all iced up. So I gotta find the defrost timer and check it. It's iced up coil of Titus. Lots of ice. Oh yeah. It's good and iced up right there. Should be a time clock inside here. Let's take a peek. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Up there, so we're gonna find the defrost timer. I've already looked behind all this stuff. Maybe they put it on top of the box. Just a little combo box, and it's getting hilarious. So there's the little coil. It's tiny. Disconnect. Switch comes up there. We could look inside here for a clock. I doubt they put it inside the H.V.A.C coil, but nowadays anything's possible. And then I wanted to come over here. I had my ladder up here. They stuffed this furnace up here. It's so funny. I wanted to get on top of the box, but they stuffed it full of flex duct. So I came out here. And this is the box. They ran the ducts on top of the box. Take a peek. Took off. I got lucky. There's the panel. There's the time clock, you lucky son of a gun. See if we can get it into a defrost. And it won't go in the defrost. The X terminal's got to come off there. The click-ons failed. Yeah, it should be over here. It will be the X terminal. Let me get up there with my tools. Now we'll put her in defrost. Let's see. Going in the defrost. I was thinking it was the termination was bad, but I took X off. It went in the defrost once, then it would never go back again. But now I got it to go in, so I'm going to end up replacing this time clock. And I'm going to replace it with just a regular old mechanical time clock. Let me go hunt down the breaker. Alright, there it is, 4.5 amps. So we'll see what the total amp draw is off the label on the coil. That'll tell us if our defrost heaters are good. Master built. There it is, heater circuit. 4.4 amps. So all the heaters are good. See how easy that check is? So the time clock's goofy. And we'll get her changed out here. I'm going to put a mechanical clock in there because that's what I have on the truck. The clock out of there looks good and cooked right there. Cooker. And we will put the wires up there. We'll go get an 814520 standard clock up there. Look at all the turds. Prepped with the conduit fitting in there. We'll fish the wires in there up to the conduit. We'll get it all tidied up and get some screws in here onto the ceiling of the box with all the turds. I think if you guys can see that. Chalk one up for the mechanical. Out with the digital, in with the mechanical. Oh, I also got the X terminal on. And it's fine. The problem was the old defrost timer. Because with the X terminal, we are pulling amps 4.5. So we're in good shape. Hold on. While we're defrosting, it's all reinstalled. There's no cover on that J-box. That was awesome. And I thought it was the defrost termination, but it was actually that grassland timer. Those grassland timers are good. They serve a purpose. But I'm old school. I like mechanical stuff. So I went back with mechanical time clock. Get it all sealed up. And I put the cover on here. And we'll be good to go.